Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Today we will discuss about the recovery model. Their types and when we are using the different recovery model, when we are changing the recovery model and what its effects on the databases. So first we will go through some theoretical part that what exactly the recovery model do, how transaction in that recovery model it determines how that particular transactions are logged in the log file, whether the transactions log backups are possible or not, and how much data can be recovered after any disaster happen or any failure happen. So in the simple word, here's written recovery model decide how safe your data is during crash or accidental deletions. So whenever any operation is going on by the application teams, or we will do according to the application teams is given any script for the insert update delete happen in SQL Server, then data first gets recorded in the log file. Recovery model control how SQL Server manages that particular log file. So here is one diagram. This is a database. Inside the database there is a two part, log file and data file. Whenever the transactions came, first it will store into the log file. After the committed transactions transfer into the data file, and whatever the transactions are not committed, it remain over there. So in the recovery model, the behavior of the log file decides how the database will act. The recovery model helps to change the behavior of this log file. How the recovery model change? We are coming over here. So as we know, the recovery model has the three types. Here it is: full recovery mode, bulk log recovery mode, simple recovery mode. How can we know from the server? First, I'm showing you once in the server. This is our server. There are all the databases. Each and every database we can keep different recovery model. First, suppose I'm clicking, select the database, right click, properties. In the option tab, click on that, the option page, sorry. Here you got model, recovery model. There's a three option: full recovery model, bulk log recovery model, and the simple recovery model. If we keep full recovery model, then log file of this database behave differently. If we keep bulk log recovery model, then log file of this particular database behave differently. If we keep simple recovery model, then log file of this particular database behave differently. So we will discuss one by one in very precise and very conceptual manner. Okay, and let it be over there. First, it's coming the recovery model. Look, a recovery model, if we keep the mode in the full recovery mode, then log file keep each and every transaction. Log file keep each and every transaction. What happened? Generally, log file keep 108 properties for a particular transaction. For a particular transactions. Suppose I'm taking one transaction. Transaction. Insert into table name is, suppose I'm taking a table name employees values. So here I'm giving id, name Daniel, Daniel. Okay, and here New York. Just take the example as this is a transaction. Okay, for this transaction the log file, if we keep the recovery model in the full, then log file monitor its 108 properties. Okay, so for particular transaction there is 108 properties are lying inside a log file, and log file will monitor 108 properties for one transactions, and it monitor for all the transactions. Suppose if application team have given a script in that we need to insert a million of transactions or more than 10,000 transactions or 1 lakh transactions. Suppose this is the number of transactions. So log file will track 108 into 1 2 3 4 5 is equal to whatever the numbers are there. Log file will monitor all that things. It tracks each and every, means it tracks end to end and everything. Log backup at any time, at any sections. So we can take the point in time recovery, we can able to take in the full recovery mode. Okay, so this is a part of the full recovery. What happened, 90% of the servers are in the full recovery mode to avoid any disruption or any issue. The production servers are kept in the full recovery mode. So now we are keeping our bulk log recovery mode. If you want to see the features, so point in time recovery, as I have already told, we can able to take minimal data loss happen and best for the production systems, which I have discussed already. Now the bulk log recovery model. What is bulk log recovery model? Bulk log recovery model is for bulk transactions. Whenever the bulk transactions transactions suppose what happen when application team wants to run a query which he wants to insert or delete a millions of data, more than 10 lakhs of data. So he dropped mail that keep the database mode in bulk log recovery model. What is the difference between bulk log and full? Bulk log means whenever the bulk transaction happen, the log file change its behavior. The log file keep only the minimal logged. That means log file will keep not only the 108 properties which we have discussed, it monitor only the basic information. Bulk log recovery model is a minimally logged. Minimally logged means it keeps only the basic information, it not keep 108 properties of all. Suppose if 108 properties into, yeah, there's more than 100 lakhs. Okay, so what happen if bulk log recovery model in the bulk transactions, if log file is monitor is this much properties, then log file will get increase in size, which cause disk drive issues and which cause closing the database. So to avoid this, Microsoft added a features bulk log recovery model. Here is the option we can able to see. We have bulk log recovery model. Okay, so once bulk transaction happen, bulk log recovery model, the log file is only monitor the basic thing not required, so it control the log file space. Once it's control the log file space, so it's not create any problem, the size will not increase, it's behave normally. There is a question, can I achieve redo and undo in the bulk log recovery model? The answer is redo and undo not possible in the bulk log recovery model because all the properties and the end-to-end tracking is not happening in the bulk log recovery model of that particular log file, in that particular log file of the particular databases. Okay, so generally one thing you need to remember, when the bulk transaction come, then only database or the log file behave bulk log recovery model. But otherwise, if we keep bulk log recovery model and the transaction is less, it's same behave like full recovery mode. Okay, so there is a question, log backups are possible or not in the bulk log recovery model. So the answer is, if bulk operation happen, then log backups are not possible, and if no bulk operation, the log backups are possible. So another question, that point in time recovery is possible or not in the bulk log recovery model. Same, if bulk operation happen, point in time recovery not possible. If not, bulk operation is not there. Instead, bulk log recovery model is there. So PI means point in time recovery is possible in that case. Don't be confused. Okay. Now we are coming the third section, simple recovery model. Here is the option simple recovery model. Simple recovery model. So if we want, we can able to change over here. First, we go through that what is the simple recovery model. Just remember one thing, in the simple recovery model, the log file truncated automatically and regularly. This points should be noted. The log file truncated in simple recovery model. Here I have already written the log file truncated automatically and regularly. Okay, so logs are truncated regularly at the time of checkpoints. In the database, as we know, the checkpoints checkpoint fired each and every 60 seconds. So at that time, log file of that particular database, if we keep in simple recovery mode, truncated everything inside that log file, whatever the date tables, the data, everything, it's whether committed or not. Once committed, it transferred into the data file. It's not committed, it truncated, means it uh, what is the mean of truncate? Truncate means it remove everything from the log file, it keep vacant the log file. So in that case, if nothing is present in the log file, we can't able to take the log backup. Log backup is not possible in the simple recovery model. Okay, so if log backups are not possible, can we achieve point in time recovery? The answer is no. When this log file truncated in simple recovery model, when checkpoints run. So remember, when checkpoints fired, there the checkpoints have two types. There is automatic and a manual. Automatic means, which I have discussed right now, 60 seconds. After every 60 seconds checkpoint fired, at that time log file truncated the space and it's vacant. Okay, and one more thing, how can we change the log file? Here is a simple log file. Okay, I'm canceling this one because I also forgot that in which state it's say. I think it's one full. Go into the properties, then option, then is a full recovery mode. I want to change in bulk log. Then bulk log, how can we change? You need to click on OK, otherwise you need to take the script out. Script out, make it cancel. So here through the script also we can able to change alter database name, set recovery model bulk log with no wait. Okay, if you want to set into the simple, here just simply write bulk log with simple. You can run the script ran completely successfully. Let's check. First we need to refresh the server. Now and bulk log properties, bulk log recovery model it's showing. So remember one thing, after changing the recovery model, it will not work until unless you have taken the backup. You have to take the backup once you change the recovery model from any form to any form, from full to bulk, from bulk to simple. After that, if you take the full backup of that particular database, then only it behave like bulk log recovery model. Okay, so there is one uh, thing. Suppose if you have changed from bulk log to simple at 2 a.m. or 2 p.m. in afternoon and taken backup at 4 p.m. So you have changed the recovery model at 2 p.m. and taken backup at 4 p.m. So there is a, so until and unless if you haven't taken the backup, it will not behave like simple. So what happened, within this 2 hour, This 2 hour the database, the means the log file or the recovery model behave like PESUDO, pseudo simple recovery model. This not comes generally in the topics, but for your information you have to know that this section, the recovery model lying in this section in this 2 hour, what happened, this is called the pseudo simple recovery model. So in this video I have explained everything very precisely, what is a recovery model, simple, bulk and full recovery model, when we are using, what happen in its effects. So if you have any doubt, any question, just comment below. And if you like this video, so please subscribe DBA Guardians. And if you want to prepare for the interviews or the full courses I have added in my channel, and I'm also giving the training, live training. So just please connect with me, and thank you very much.